How to change clock widget on Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide on how to change clock widget on Android lock screen. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, on your Android phone, go to settings. Once you launch your settings on your device, you have to locate the option for home screen and lock screen. So let's open it. Scroll down and under lock screen, you can see different options like double tap, lock screen shortcuts, lock screen magazine, clock style. So let's tap on clock style. So recently, the clock style is applied to the different theme only, that is the horizontal. So in order to change this clock widget on your Android lock screen, you can easily select vertical as well. And once it is done, you have successfully changed your clock widget on your lock screen of Android. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe.